Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about UXUI wallet airdrop. Okay, wallet airdrop, which is currently going to end in just this January. In first, like I can tell you, less than few days from now that is going to be able to end. So for you to be able to participate, as well as how you can be able to do it on your mobile phone, okay, on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Olis Profits. Please follow me, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description where I put up updates on every single thing related to the crypto space as well as finance and trading. Okay. Then for us to be able to start right away, this is UX Airdrop, as you can see, or wallet airdrop on the official Twitter account. As you can see right here, it's a DEX, a decentralized exchange platform. The same way Binance is, where you can be able to buy and trade cryptocurrencies the same way. So it's incubator is in its Binance lab, that's incubation season, as you can see right here on their bio. Then the good thing about it is every single thing related to it, in the sense that it started newly. Okay, it started newly, and as at 27th December, which you are seeing here from the official post, that incubated airdrop backed by Binance is launching on UX points, that's your UP points, from December 27th, that's before Christmas Day, December after Christmas, till January 10th. Okay, so it's just going to be a very short thing, preferably even 2 weeks or three, less than 2 weeks. Okay, so this is every single thing related to it, and many people are joining upon it, since it is a very simple airdrop as well as something that is small. It's expected to be able to yield much results. So let us do it on Telegram. So click the link in the description. You are going to take it here. Then the first thing that you should be able to do is to go to your panel bar, that's your task bar here. Then click on create wallets. Okay, click on create wallets. Make sure that you are going to write it down, every single thing related to it. Make sure that you're going to write it down. Then it will tell you that wallet has been created successfully. Okay, then I'll press go again. Then it will open every single thing that I have. So to claim your first UP points for free, I'll just press claim. That's my first UP points. First UP points. Then the next thing is to be able to save my seed phrase, which is on top here. My seed phrase, to be able to back them up. This seed phrase is what I have. That's my 12 key phrases, so that my account can be able to be secured and nobody can be able to get access to my funds. Okay. So once you click on it here, it will tell you to back up your seed phrase. I'm not going to open it for you. Then you can be able to click on it. You see your seed phrase and be able to back them up completely. Okay. Then for you to be able to do it, then you just press claim. For someone who is the first new user, then you can decide to read here. Then every single thing related to it, you can press continue while going forward. Then up tokens as well as UXP points. So with that, I've actually claimed my first 100 UXP points. In less than 3 hours, it's going to load up again, and for me to be able to claim extra points as well as extra tokens, because I'm currently farming. So the reward will be claimed in 3 hours. Okay. Then the next thing will be to be able to firstly invite people as well as complete the remaining tasks for me to be able to earn more tokens. So after that, the next place that you should also be considering is here, which is on wallets, the earn, the invite, as well as the dApps. So we're going to take them one after the other. So here is the wallet. This is basically the one that we have just finished. Then if I click on my earn section, which is the most important for me to be able to do, I'm going to see every single thing related to all these tasks. So I'm going to complete them one after the other, or you can be able to complete them one after the other in order to get extra high points. Then you just have to be able to be waiting after 3 hours for you to be able to connect and collect your tokens, that's your token rewards. Then another crazy thing about it in terms of on-chain, okay, is that you can be able to perform on-chain transactions. That's from here. I'm going to show how to be able to do them completely, perform on-chain transactions, so that you can be able to earn more tokens for yourself. They are not difficult to be able to do. If you don't have gas fee, you can be able to get the gas fee probably by depositing on your wallet, which is part of it. It will still give you an opportunity for you to be able to do that. That's opening their DEX. So All these things can be able to help you out if you are going to do them. I'm going to make a further video about how to be able to do all these transactions completely so that you can be able to get to see them in order to earn more tokens. Mind you, this airdrop is ending on the 10th of January, so do well to be able to do it. And it's an exchange token and it's going to be able to yield more profits, more than what other airdrops have been given. So that's basically every single thing about UI UX Wallet Buy. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.